I left in early 90s, so the country was a mess, It was mafia wars everywhere, and country was divided, who gets the bigger piece, and you would have to constantly play the game, pretend that you're somebody else, you're cool, you're tough, so nobody can take advantage of you, and it was a necessary part of your everyday, day-to-day life, Just, you couldn't just focus on art or anything else. A part of you would have to play the game in order to survive. This is Dimon, and we here in Ultima, and which represents the party, and I wanted to mention it because me and the party are inseparable. So I come from Moscow, from Russia originally, but I left Russia, Moscow 15 years ago, and I went to United States and lived there for about 14 years. So I wanted to go for adventures, first of all. Second of all, I always said, as much as Russians love Russia, Russia doesn't like Russians. It likes foreigners a lot. Like if you go, you'd be given the royal treatment, a lot of hospitality to, coming from people. But for Russians, especially Russian artists, it's really a lot of Russian artists escape the country to stay Russians, no matter where it is in the world, but and create for Russia, but not being pressed into doing things that they want to do. Many people could say that, yes, America, it's not so advanced culturally, and what would the artists do there? But I would find that kind of freedom freed me up of this necessity to think how to wear this mask that I had to wear in Russia, that, pretend that I'm something cooler, and then, like, don't come close to me, don't take advantage of me. And that's where I met, well, it's important to highlight for me when I met people that really close to me spiritually, which is Gogol Bordello, these guys. This was the highlight, definitely, when I believed that I'm not alone with that. The way it happened, I was on tour with Gogol Bordello, shooting video, doing after parties, and then we came in this, I've never been to Ljubljana before, and then I saw this town and I promised myself to come back. This is really outstanding town, I would say. Yeah, the only problem, like I said, it was I don't want to be misunderstood, And that was the only issue in the beginning when I came, because when I first came to Ljubljana, we did after I met this amazing girl from that worked with Menza in Metelko, and just like that, 2 hours before the show, we organized the after party, and we came for a celebration on the moment, for Gogol Bordello after party. And then I came back to the same Metelko, and Sanya was not there already. And other people gave me a lot of this bad attitude, like really misunderstanding me, mistaking me for somebody else, misunderstanding my goals and why I came here. Even though I was telling about it straight up, I was taken as the guy who here for fame and glory and money, this kind of. I was like, come on, it's not really about me getting famous or rich here, I've done lots of it before, coming to a new town, a new country, and, trying to build something. Not just to have one event and disappear, but build something that's maybe important for the town. That's how it's becoming, not just, spending time drinking, like wasting time away or something, and when it becomes an art and what they call the job, I consider it my job, if you want to call it a job. Yeah, the job of life.
The women, they